Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over an upgrade for your pump. If you're like me and you get to a trailhead, every time you get to a trailhead, you pump up your tires, then you put your pressure gauge on it and you run them the same pressure every time so you know how much traction you're gonna have. It's just more consistent on what you're doing and where you're going. So let me show you what I got here. All right, so this is basically something you can buy. It'll adapt to most floor pumps. If you have a pump, it will pretty much convert to this. I bought the hose with it too, just because my hose is a little short and this one's a little bit longer. You can just buy just this adapter here. It is a Presta cycle head attachment for your pump. Let me show you how it works, and I'll tell you what I like about it and the couple things I don't like about it, because it's definitely not perfect. It's nice in a lot of ways, but there's a couple small nuances. All right, so for your standard pump, you basically normally, you put this on here, and then you gotta hold this, pry back, you lose some air, then you pump up, run that. That's how you do most pumps. So let me show you how this other piece, how the Presta head works. Why I like it a lot better than just standard pump. All right, so for the Presta head, there's no buttons, you don't have to do anything to get it to hook on. You literally just take it and you just push it on and it's on. Then you basically just pump up, add as much pressure as you're gonna add to your tire. To take it off, just push the button, comes right off. Super, super simple. I'll try to give you a close-up just so you can see. All right, so basically you just do the usual. You unscrew your little stem. This piece here just pushes on. Done. When you're done, you pump up. When you're done, you push this button, take it off. Simple as that. But with every cool thing, there's always something, right? So pretty much my only complaint about this thing, it goes on easy, it comes off easy. There's a lot of awesome innovation with this. One, it doesn't work with anything besides a Presta, so it only works with your Presta. So if you want to pump up your car, you can't pump up your car with this. This is just Presta. The only other thing that really is the complaint for me is when you get this on, say you have your tire at a higher angle, sometimes if you have too much pressure, it doesn't lock on very good and you get some air leakage out of this. So you kind of have to make sure the cord's not pulled really far, there's not a lot of tension on it. But once you get it on there, once you learn to get it on there, you can see right here, just like that. Once you're on there, that will stay pretty much solid. You go through, get your pumping in. Get it to where you want. Take it off, and then I always get my digital pressure gauge just so I'm running the same pressures every time. Put it on there. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. If you're just kind of tired of the old pump system, this is just something kind of cool to switch your pump over, make it a little easier to use, faster, more convenient for you. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Appreciate you guys. And like I said, there is a link in the description. It will be an affiliate marketing link. It won't cost you any more. You'll just order off Amazon, but I do get, a small, tiny percentage, which helps the channel. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you.